Yes, you already know by the title, the thumbnail, and this intro. It's another edition of Cooking with Katrina in my priceless kitchen. As always, the full ingredients and directions will be in the description box below. First things first, I pull out all of the necessary supplies, ingredients, all that good stuff for whatever I'm baking or cooking. So if you're new here, I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Prices Home Life and More. This is my lifestyle channel where I share, well, like today, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, cleaning motivation, and so much more. So if you're new here and those are things that interest you, come on and join my growing priceless family. Now let's enjoy the baking to music. I'll be back at the end. This was actually my first time making this recipe, but it will not be my last. My family enjoyed this cake, and I hope your family will as well, because you're trying this recipe, right? Yeah, you're trying this recipe. Well, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Now, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, leave me a kind comment, and subscribe if you're new. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss a future upload. See you next time.